What is this, yaar? Every way the bunches of collections over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set to set, huh? Ellame set to set. All is anything. If you buy jacquard silk, it's a set to set. If you buy soft silk with heavy border, set to set. If you buy only matte golden pattu silk, ellame set to set. Okay. All silk varieties, anything we buy from a manufacturers, we have to buy set to set. Yes, my friends, it's a wholesale manufacturer. So, hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Yes, I've showed you the bunches. Anywhere you can see the bunches. Either it is a box packing, either it is a knot packing, either it is a big box packing. Anything, the customers even they purchase the boxes set to set, even the wooden boxes, the bunches boxes, all things are only the box varieties. And in the table here are the samples. When the customers are coming for the visit purchase, they have like this golden butta, copper butta with stone work, dotted silvers, light colors, this matte golden, rapier cotton, all such kind of collections they keep for the samples. And based on the customer, based on the state, based on their location, they purchase. Yes, so today also I brought for you the for this Ashada month varieties. I brought the rapier mix varieties, which is low range collections. If I talk about these low range collections, only around 445 to 845 collections. So only at factory price. Now I have not shared here any actual prices, but I'll show you the samples. You can take a screenshot. The numbers are scrolling on the screen. You can quickly contact and you can add into your business, resell us. So subscribe the channel and quickly I'll start with the simple with border from rapier silk varieties. So these collections you can easily purchase from Pan India. You have a COD options. We have a services. Beautiful dark pinkish shade, not dark pink. It's a pink with light greenish color. There is a multi border with a matte border. Exclusive varieties of the silk collections, which is Kesar Wonder Bite Silk Collections is the code. The beautiful with the plain come matte golden border with two-tone shade of the crushed fabrics with a stripes pattern. This is the oldest gold pallu, which is an old pattern, but still it's a demanded and it is a very common fancy, which still it goes on the functions and the festival base. These varieties you can buy as a Wonder Bite Silk Collections. If I talk about the next variety, which is copper, which is a chocolate brownish shade with a golden, very pretty with the floral and the bird printed, where you can see here the chocolate brownish shade with the maroon color based, very lovely. The dark, I can see the cookies color also, I can see the brownish shade also, which is very beautiful, and the brocade pattern, the silk variety. The if I am not shared the any code over here, you can take a screenshot and you can contact the online team, which goes with the running blouse with the 630 meters. This is a pattern. Length, beautiful Kanjivaram base, which is a bottle green with a military green color combination, which is a Mysore silk based with a copper pattu. I'll just show you the copper pattu with a leaf based combination. Very royal look, which is Kanjivaram based Mysore silk pattern. Bottle green or military green color, exactly the color combination. Very pretty, heavy pallu. This goes with the blouse. This is the part and this is a heavy copper pallu. Coming to the Rama blue, one of the light blue with the maroon shade, heavy double to the borders. You can see the border, two double borders I can say, very pretty, which is a beautiful weaving work with the tomato red color. Tomato red color, this is saree, which is a satin softy anchal saree. There is a mountain borders and this also you have a lovely color combinations. If I talk about the parrot green with tomato red or kesar red, dark red I can say, parrot green. Okay, parrot green only dotted stone work, heavy copper pallu. This is a combination of the blouse and this is the body part. Parrot green with the color combination. Every weaving saree is having a dark contrasted colors. Now I'll come with dark yellow with this Lakshmi collections of the dark purple shade with the silver butta. Silver butta, lovely collections. E pattern. This is Lakshmi 1004, dark purple. All these collections you can add into Shravan month. This variety, one more pattern, dark purple with parrot green with this purple with one of the green color leaf based. Many more varieties we do have this silk collections. This is a rapier silk mix collections I've showed you. Any bunches you buy, the customers are buying and it goes to packing. This is the way the manufacturers are supporting resellers, dealers, wholesalers. If you want Mysore silk, Jacquard silk, if you want fancy cotton silk, rapier silk, if you want, you're looking for the cotton craft, this is many more collections. You have a n number of varieties. Beautiful, lovely collections which starts from 150 and highest price if I talk about this counter, 1000 rupees. But today I've showed you around 445 to around 845 rupees of collections. So hope you enjoy these collections. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video and following and what kind of collections you're looking for. You can also share in the comments where we'll provide you the videos. I'll create the videos for you. And there's no doubt about the quality of the silk weaving work sarees, how the quality will be many more. That's why you have to take a visit, purchase, and later on you can do regularly video calling, live purchase also. So you can buy silk fancy, silk cotton, Poonam saree, silk heavy, Banarasi, all kind of varieties you can add into your business and you can explore your business. So hope you enjoyed these collections. And subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon, just click it. So for this Shravan month varieties, you can add this quickly into your business. So next video we'll meet with new more collections. Keep supporting me. Just share the link with friends, relatives, with everyone who really wants to explore or start the clothing business. Subscribe the channel. Next video we'll meet with new more collections. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।